I mean, some people say, some musicians like to say that, that the music and the language have the same kinds of rhythms. I don't know that I so much feel that way. I just think that they're both beautiful and in their own way. Yiddish is a beautiful language. It's juicy, interesting. It's a language that makes me feel warm when I hear it and speak it, and I feel the same way about the music. And I guess that's what I try to transmit to the kids when we are in that context. Just the love for speaking the language, hearing the language. We try to connect the kids to the ways in which Yiddish has become part of English, the English, and that of course varies. Jewish kids, depending on where they are, some kids might have a lot of Yiddish, and some kids might, and of course non-Jewish kids have. I won't say have some Yiddish also, because most everybody in New York at least knows the word chutzpah.